Hello everyone, this is my Shopify tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a profitable Shopify store from scratch. I'm tired of all the gurus trying to sell you $500 courses, and I want to give it all away for free. The problem is that when something is free, most people don't value it. I want you to go through this like you would have paid $500 to buy this course. In this way, you'll make the most out of this valuable information and actually apply it. I want you to take action and follow along with me. All right, let's get started. This course is divided into 5 parts. You can check the timestamp in order to skip the part that you want, but I advise that you watch all of it, because if you misunderstand a step, you might lose money. First, I'll explain the business model and how it works and why it's beginner-friendly. Second, I'll answer the frequently asked questions regarding dropshipping. Third, which is the most important step, is choosing your niche. Fourth, creating a Shopify store. Fifth, creating a Facebook ad. All I ask in return is to like and subscribe, so this video will be easier to find for people who are looking for ways to achieve financial freedom. Dropshipping is an amazing business model that allows you to sell physical products without holding any inventory, without investing money, and without even having a physical store. That's what makes it very profitable and beginner-friendly. We are going to choose a product on a website called AliExpress. AliExpress is a Chinese website where you can contact suppliers directly. We can find many cheap products with good quality. Then we list the product with the same image and description on our e-commerce store that we're going to create with Shopify. But we're going to list it for a higher price so that when we receive an order, we take the money and the customer's address. We go on AliExpress, we order the product, and they ship it directly to the customer, and we get to keep the difference. We repeat this process and make a lot of money. First of all, can I do this if I live outside the U.S.? Yes, your location doesn't matter, as long as you have an internet connection and a computer. AliExpress ships the items to the U.S. All you need to do is press a button. Second question, can the customer go directly on AliExpress and order the product himself? Yes, he can, but a lot of people don't know that AliExpress exists. And when the client needs a product, for example a toothbrush, they go to Amazon and buy it from there. But when they're scrolling through Facebook and they see a cute panda mug for sale with free shipping, they'll order one really fast. But we have to put it in front of the right people. Third question, what about long shipping times? You should never sell AliExpress items that you're shipping from China on Amazon or eBay, because you will not be able to compete with them. They can ship in 2 days. That's why I advise to sell AliExpress items in your own store. Any customer who's not willing to wait the shipping time for the item was never going to be a customer in the first place. Instead, you should focus on the customer that does not mind the shipping times. One way is to offer free shipping and then include the shipping cost in the original price. This will make the long shipping time justified. So, when it comes to selecting a product, there's an important thing to know. If you get this right, you're going to be successful with Shopify. If you don't, it's a problem. So, you want to get into a passionate niche. In fact, there's a big difference between what people need and what people are passionate about. When people need something, they go on Amazon and buy it from there. They don't even think about your Shopify store. Instead, if you sell something unique and interesting that people are passionate about, then you're going to be successful. Let's take pets, for example, but this is not specific enough. You have several types of pets. Let's choose the dog niche. Then we get accessories that relates to dogs. There are several niches with a lot of passionate fans with more disposable income, like golf, jewelry, and biking. The secret is combining 2 niches so you target 2 audiences. For example, a golf ball with a dog face on it, or necklace with a cat on it. You have to be a little bit creative and find products that these people might enjoy and want to buy. Now, let's go to AliExpress and see another way to get many ideas. In the categories section on the left side, you see that there are many categories and different subcategories. We have women's clothing, men's clothing, cell phone and accessories, and jewelries. Let's type Panda. We have a lot of product. Let's type Panda mug. We're going to choose a couple of mugs with prices less than $10 that have great reviews. Let's try Panda t-shirt. We can view them by the number of orders. Let's have a closer look. These are 2 patches for clothing. That's not what we want. This shirt looks promising. It has good pictures, a cute panda, and it's less than $10. We could easily sell it for $20. Okay, that settles it. We're going to create a store dedicated to pandas. Let's have a look at what we're going to create. First, we're going to have a home page with a logo, menus, categories, and image slider, and then we're going to create the product page with women, clothing, and panda mugs. We're going to set the price and make it on sale. Then we're going to add a description and images. We're going to create an About Us page. Then we're going to create a clean Contact Us page. Sign up for the free Shopify 14-day trial. The first thing that you need to do is sign up for an account with Shopify. They have a 14-day trial that you can use. I'll have a link to show you how you can get to Shopify in the video description below. Now, just enter in the email address, password, and store name that you want to use for your store. For your email, I recommend setting up a new email account, since all store emails, including customer emails, are going to be sent to whatever email address that you use here. Of course, once you're done, just click the Create Store button. Then just let your Shopify load up for a new store. Now, Shopify will ask you to fill out this little survey. It doesn't matter at all what you put. You can put anything that you like. This is just data that Shopify is collecting. It has no legal impact on you. Notice that I blurred out all the information here because this is obviously very private. Just make sure you fill out all the details. Then just click Enter My Store, and then that's it. Shopify will load your new settings into your store and create your new account. Install the free Shopify theme, Minimal. On the left sidebar menu, click Online Store. This will automatically take you to the Themes page. Scroll down the page and find the Explore Free Themes button. Now there are lots of themes to choose from. I think that Minimal is a nice, clean theme. So we're going to go and select it down here. Now, Minimal has 3 different versions. It has Modern, Vintage, and Fashion. I think Modern looks the best, so we're going to select it. And then click the Add Minimal button. So now come down to the Actions button and click Publish. You'll get this little pop-up box here. Just click the Publish button. We need to install the Chrome browser. Google Download Chrome browser, then click on the first link, then download Chrome. Then we need to install the Oberlo Chrome extension. Click on Settings, More Tools, Extensions, open Chrome Web Store, type Oberlo, and add it to Chrome. Install the Oberlo Shopify app and update its settings. Oberlo is a Shopify app that allows us to semi-automate your dropshipping store for you, not only by making it way easier and faster to add products to your store, but down the line when it comes to fulfilling orders and buying them from your dropshipper and getting them shipped out to your customer. It's going to semi-automate this process for you, making your store as passive as possible. On the left side menu, click Apps. Now come and click the Visit Shopify app button and type Oberlo. Then click the Add App button, then scroll down, and then click the Install App button. Then we can update the settings inside Oberlo. All right, so now we can click the Settings button down here in the Store Name box. Just enter the name of your store. Scroll down and check this little box and change this to pounds if it's set to kilograms. Then scroll down and make sure that this box is checked so that customers can know when your item has been shipped. Then come down to Auto Updates. When a product isn't available, set the quantity to 0 and click Notify Me. When a variant vanishes, set the quantity to 0 and click Notify Me. When a cost changes, select Do Nothing but Notify Me. And have it set so that when inventory changes, to update automatically. Now we want to save these settings, so we click Save. Great job! Now we click on Suppliers. You want to make sure that ePacket is selected from the list. You want to make sure that you've got your phone number in the little box here. Don't worry, customers won't be able to see this. Now we need to adjust the time zone and the currency. Go to Settings. Click on General. Scroll down to Standards and Formats. Choose your time zone. Choose the unit system as Imperial System if it was set to metric system. Then scroll down to Store Currency and choose the US dollar. Then click Save. Add products to your Shopify store using Oberlo. All right, so now we're going to go to AliExpress. Import products directly from there into our store. Using the Chrome extension that we just installed before, you're going to need to do 3 things. Firstly, open up your Chrome browser. Next, open up your Shopify store in one tab. Then open up aliexpress.com in a second tab. Once you've done that, you can follow along with me. All right, so on AliExpress, come to the search bar and type in the product that you want to add to your store. We hover the mouse over the product that we want, and then we click the blue Oberlo button. Let's add 2 mugs. Then we type panda scarf, and we add this cute panda scarf to our store. Then let's add a panda t-shirt to our store. Then we go to the Oberlo website and we select Import List to check the products that we added. Now we can see this beautiful panda t-shirt that we added. We go to Images and we select the images that we're going to pick. Please pick pictures where none of the models are showing their faces, and make sure that there's no store logo in it as well. Then we go to Variants. We change the country to United States of America. This is very important. We have to choose ePacket, which is very fast and cheap. Then we click OK. You can choose which variant you would like to keep and which you'd like to disregard. Here, you can see that Oberlo is suggesting a price based on their database. So we can set the price for this shirt. Then we set the compared at price to make it seem that it's on sale. We can have different prices for different variant, or we change all the prices at once by clicking Change All Prices. Then we click the description and write a few words related to these products. Also, mention that you offer free shipping, and this product will take 2 to 3 weeks. Then we go to the product and we change the title. Then we go to the second product, which is the panda scarf. We do the same steps as before. We choose the pictures that we'd like to keep. We set the destination to United States of America. We choose ePacket. Then we set the price. We write a small description for the product. Then we choose to write a title for the product. Then we continue for the rest of the products. Then we need to import them to our Shopify store, pressing the green button, Import Store. Add product collections. The word collections is basically just Shopify's phrase for product categories. You're going to be creating different product categories. Click Products, and then under the Products submenu, click Collections. Then, Create Collection button. To create your first collection, just type in the name of your first product category. Mine is going to be Panda Mugs. Then, under Collection Type, click Manual. You can leave everything else as it is. And then click Save. Then we create another collection for women's clothing. Then press Save. Add free trust badges to your product pages. The reason why we recommend that you do this is because of the fact that when customers see icons and images that they trust, a little bit of the authority translates over to you, which will increase your sales and conversions, which of course means that you'll make more money. Here's how you install them. Come to the left side menu and click Apps. Then on this page, click the Visit Shopify App Store button. Once again, this will take you to the Shopify's official App Store. Once it loads, of course, come to the search bar and type in Free Trust Badge and do a search for that. Then click on the one that's literally titled Free Trust Badge, and then click the Add App button. And then click the Activate Badge button to add this to all your product pages. Then just go ahead and click Save. Add free shipping to your orders. The shipping isn't actually free. Instead, you just slightly raise your product price. The product has free shipping, but it costs a little more. You get to promote your items as having free shipping, which is a great sales pitch. On the left menu, click Settings. Then go ahead and click the Shipping icon. Now, Shopify will automatically populate this with a local shipping option and a rest of the world shipping option, and we want to delete both of these. Click Edit, and then scroll down and click Delete Zone. Then confirm that you want to delete it. Then go back to the shipping page and delete the other one. Now, I'm only going to be showing you one type of shipping option here, which is free shipping. Click Add Shipping Zone, then under Shipping Zone name, type in Free Shipping. Now you can select which countries that you want to ship to. Keep in mind that Shopify will only allow customers to purchase items from your store if the country has a shipping option. Then come down to Weight-Based Rates and click Add Rates. Then go ahead and select the Free Shipping checkbox. Then you just need to go ahead and click Done. Then all you need to do is click Save. Add payment. Click on Settings on the bottom left. Then click on Payment Providers. Then click Select PayPal Method. And click the PayPal Express Checkout button, like I did. And then scroll down on this page and click the Activate button. You'll be redirected to PayPal to complete your setup. Then you can set up Shopify payment if it's allowed in your country. Create an About Us page. I am going to show you how to create an About Us page. On the left side menu, click the Online Store button. Then from the submenu, select the Pages button, and then go ahead and click the Add Page button. Then go to the title and type About Us. Then go to the context box and write whatever you want for your About Us page. Then you just click it and click Insert Image. Now, once you've uploaded your image, you can click it to align it and change it to the right, and then click the Edit Image button to do that. Now, another thing too is that you could have increased the text spacing so that there was more space in between the text and the image. Click Save. Create a Contact Us page. We are going to create a simple contact form. It's really easy to do. Just head back to the Pages section inside your Shopify admin dashboard and follow along with me. Go to the Pages page and then click the Add Page button again. This time in the title, type Contact Us. Then go to the little drop-down menu under Template and select this button here. Then click Save and boom! Super easy. You now have your own contact page with a contact form. All messages submitted to it will be sent to the email address that you signed up for with your Shopify account. Add menus to your store. We're going to add all those pages and this little drop-down menu, which will list all the product collections. On the left side menu, click Online Store. Then from the submenu, click Navigation. Now you're going to be on the menu page. First, let's get at the main menu by clicking on it. Now I'm going to recommend that you click Edit next to Catalog and change it to Products. Now click the Add Menu button and type in the name of one of your product categories or collections. I'm going to type in Panda Mugs. Now under Link, click Collections and then select the collection from the list and then click the Add button. Then, of course, drag and drop it so that it's indented below products. That's what you want to do. You just want to repeat this for all of your collections. What we're doing here is you're creating something called a submenu. So when a customer enters your store and puts their mouse over the Products tab in the main menu at the top of the website, a drop-down menu will appear, showing off all of your different product categories or collections that they can browse. Then click Add Menu Item again. This time type in About Us. And then under Link, click Pages. Then find the About Us page and select it. Then just click Add. Perfect. All right. Now we're just going to do the same thing for the Contact Us page. Make sure that these menu items are not indented below the products. Now just click Save. Website design. We need to choose images for the logo and the image slider for this reason. We Google Panda, Images, and then we go to Tools, and then we select Images for reuse. We can use any of the below images. Let's do this. Head to the left menu and click the Online Store button. Then this will, by default, take you to the Theme page. Just click the Customize button. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a nice store logo. Click the Header button, and then click the Select Image button and upload your logo. I had already uploaded mine, so I just clicked it. And then click the Select button. Change your custom logo to be 250 pixels, since 60 is tiny. Then uncheck the announcement box. Now we're going to be adding an image to the slideshow. Now, by default, there are 4 slide images. If you don't have 4 images, you can just upload however many you have. For me, I uploaded 2, and then you'll be able to see that I deleted the rest. You can see here that I'm deleting the extra slides that I don't want to use. Once you finish that, then just go and head back. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to delete all of the other widgets in the home page because we're going to be replacing them with different widgets that are going to show off the items that we're selling in our store, which is a really simple and easy way to design a professional-looking home page. We want to remove the blog widgets. I'm going to remove the social media icons. Now, click the Theme settings. We're going to be updating the colors. Because this is a Panda store, I'd like to have only black and white colors on my website. So let's head back. This time we're going to pick the typography. I think basically the font button. Here you can change the font for your store. I recommend going through all the different options and seeing which one you like best. It's usually best not to use the default font if you can, because that font is very generic. You can then just click Save. A favicon is a little icon image that pops up on a website's browser tab. A favicon image should be 32 pixels by 32 pixels. Go to the left menu again and click Online Store. We're going to be going back into our theme settings. Once your theme setting has loaded up, click Theme Settings, and then click the favicon button, and you can upload an image. Now, I've already got mine uploaded, so I just selected it. Once you've selected, all you need to do is click Save, and you're done. You've now added a favicon to your store. Now we go to All Products. Then we click Collections. Then we press which collection we need to add the products to. In my case, I'll choose the collection Women's Clothing and then select the products that relate to the collection. Then I choose the collection Panda Mugs and I add the mugs. Let's take a look at our creation. It's beautiful. Add Facebook Messenger live chat. We're going to add a free live chat app that will let customers interact directly with you with Facebook Messenger. Let's go back to the App Store, like we did in previous steps, and type in Facebook Chat 2.0. We select the app and then we click the Add App button. Then come down and click Install App. Then copy and paste your Facebook URL, and then press Save. Select a payment plan for Shopify. The Shopify free 14-day trial is fantastic for trying it out and seeing if it's right for you, and to use this during the little creation process. But if you want to actually sell to customers, then you do need to purchase a paid plan. Luckily, the lowest paid plan is perfect for most people. Let me show you how to do this. On the left menu, click the Settings button. On the Settings page, click the Account button. Then click Compare Plans. You've got three options, and almost everybody should select the $29 a month plan. Once you've filled out your payment details, click the Start Plan button. A big part of the reason why I recommend paying monthly is cash flow. I recommend saving your startup money and putting it to other things like Facebook ads. Then we need to choose a domain name. Now it's time to get rid of that Shopify URL and replace it with our store's custom URL. When choosing a domain name, I have some tips for you. Firstly, always choose a .com domain name and choose a website name with no more than 3 words. Otherwise, it will appear spammy. On the left menu, we click Online Store. Then we press Domains. Then we press Buy New Domain. And we choose our website domain and only buy the .com. Then we press Buy. Send your store live. We've got one final step to go. We now need to just remove the password that's stopping customers from entering our store and to send it live. All right, so on the left side menu, click Online Store. Then come and click Disable Password. On this page, which is the Preference page, scroll down, uncheck that box, and then click Save. Then that's it. Your store is now live and ready for customers to come in, spend money, and buy your items. Okay, let's talk about traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. You can have the most beautiful store in the world, but if you don't send any traffic to it, you won't make any money. There are two ways to send traffic to your website. The first one is free organic traffic, which is highly unreliable because you don't have control over it. The second one is paid traffic, which is reliable and predictable, and you have complete control over it. There are many paid traffic sources, but my favorite is Facebook because it's cheap and it works. You only need to invest $5 per day to make thousands of dollars potentially. Facebook has around 3 billion people. The potential is huge. So I'm going to walk you step by step in how I create my Facebook ads. Also, it's easy to use. Everyone can do it. First, you need to create a landing page like this one. Then go to Facebook and press See More on the left side of the screen. Then click Ads Manager. Then click on the three stripes on the top corner of the page. Then press Pixels. Now we need to write the store name and website URL. Then we choose Connect to a platform and we select Shopify. We press Continue. Then we press Continue again. Then we copy our Facebook Pixel ID. Then we go to our Shopify dashboard and press Online Store. Then we click Preferences. Then we paste the Facebook Pixel ID. Then we press Save. Then we go back to Facebook Ads Manager and we press Continue. If you want to check if your pixel is working properly, just copy your URL and paste it here. Then press Send Test Traffic. Then we click on the three stripes on the top corner of the page. Then we press Ads Manager. We press Create on the right side of the screen. Then we click Conversion because that's what we need. We specify the campaign name, then we press Continue. We specify View Content because it's all still a new website. Then we scroll down and we choose where our ads will be displayed, which is in the United States. Let us target only women in our ad campaign. Then we target people that like Giant Panda, shopping, and Kung Fu Panda. Then we scroll down and we select the platform that we want. We choose only Facebook, then we deselect the rest. We specify the budget. We're only going to spend $5 daily. Then we make our ad to display for 1 week. We connect to our Facebook page with identity. We select single image or video. Then we scroll down and we upload an image of the product. In the website URL, we paste the URL of the product in our store. Then we rewrite a small text for the product. In the headline, we specify the title of the product and we press Confirm. I'll give you a few tips and strategies to increase your chances of success. First of all, congratulations for making it here. You're one of the few people who are actually committed and watch the entire training. Now, I want to give you a few tips and guidelines to increase your chances of success. The first tip is the one that I mentioned in every training, and it's always the same. Don't give up. I know for a fact that 50% of you will not make your first sale in the 14-day free trial, and that's not a problem. That could be for a number of reasons. Maybe you take longer to set up your store. Maybe you chose the wrong product. Maybe you got into the wrong niche or made a mistake in the ad. So all of these issues can be solved with small changes. For example, if you see that many people are clicking on the ad but not buying the product, it can be for two possible reasons. First, the price of the product is too high. Second, you probably chose the wrong product, and that's not a problem. Changing the product takes only 5 minutes. Oberlo really does well for you, so don't hesitate to change what's not working. Be flexible in this case. So my suggestion is to give yourself at least a month and a half to make your first sale. If you don't make it in the 14-day free trial, buy an entire month for just $29 and give yourself time. There's no need to rush things. This is a business. This is a real business that can make you thousands of dollars. So take it seriously. My third and final tip is to stay updated and keep learning new ways and strategies to increase your sales. Research on Google and YouTube. There's a lot of stuff online. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. But most importantly, if you haven't already, take action. Go down in the description, sign up for Shopify, and take advantage of this huge opportunity.